Hey, what's up fellas, it's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel guys, and today I'll show you how to replace the tensioner pulley and the serpentine belt on a Chevy Silverado. Alright guys, so what I did, this is the intake box. I got the tunnel. What we're gonna use is a straight screwdriver, taking here and here off, and take this clip. It comes out, it's very easy, it's not really a hard thing. Next, what you're gonna do is you're going to use a 15mm socket, insert it in here, and pull as much you can on to the right side. This way you take the tension off the pulley, and as you see, the belt moves. You have a bunch of space here to work, so definitely you wanna pull and take the serpentine off. As you see, we got the tension off, and now we can get the belt out. Just like that, it came out. Next step is going to be two 15mm bolts holding the whole assembly. It's right there, one on the bottom and one here. Alright, the whole assembly with tensioner came out. Now we can get our new assembly and install it, put it back together. Once the pulleys are ready, and now it's time for the serpentine belt. If you guys don't remember how to put it back, it's a bit tricky, but you can see in the beginning of the video how it was. Make sure you are installing it right, otherwise it's not gonna work. Here's the best you can do. Alright, pretty much good. Here's what I was telling you about. It's not really hard to put it back, even remove it. So this is going here, this is going there. So there is a pin. It comes into the pin before you put in this pin here. Right there, you try to put it inside. Push it inside. Here. Let's see how our new tensioner pulley, a new pulley here works. Yeah, go. Perfect, my friend. Perfect. Tied up the rings. Straight. Here too. Alright fellas, the video's done. That was 2012 Chevy Silverado, how to replace the serpentine belt and the serpentine tensioner pulley. Hopefully this video helped you. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe below if it's a new channel for you. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.